Well, good things never really last. It pained the great trainer Freddie Roach parting ways with longtime fighter Manny Pacquiao after 16 years of working together in what has become one of the most successful partnerships in boxing history. Although saddened by the way things ended up between him and the 39-year-old Pacquiao, who won 7 world titles in as many divisions fighting under Roach since 2001, the Hall of Fame trainer would rather look back at the bright side of their working relationship together. Roach said Pacquiao hasn't personally talked to him about his decision not to have him man his corner when he challenges champion Lucas Matthyse for the World Boxing Association, WBA, welterweight title on July 15 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. "I would be lying if I didn't say I wasn't hurt that he didn't contact me personally about his decision," said Roach in an official statement released Saturday. "But the great times we enjoyed together far outweigh that." In a press release sent by Pacquiao's camp on Friday detailing about Matthyse's and promoter Oscar Dela Hoya's arrival in Manila as part of the two-country press tour for their July fight, it noted that Pacquiao will be joined by his new promotions team along with trainers Restituto Buboy Fernandez and Nonoy Neri.